Having one of those off days, just not on. I was on the beach. Oh, see what I mean? Line's a little curled. I was on the beach. Probably missed about 4 bass, striped bass, and just not connecting. All right, we're doing some beach fishing. I think I see a really nice bass wallowing in front of me. Got another little cast in there. One fish. Just kind of roaming around. I cast it right over. All right, that did it. Oh, we got off. Son of a gun. Let me take another cast. All right, let's see if they're out there. There's some small bass I see in the clear water. They're coming in and out. I'm going to fish this a little. I've been, not many I've seen, but maybe there's more packed in the deep. And, small striped bass, like they're coming in and out. Keeping an eye out. And, see if we can pick one up. They're got to be being picky. Right now I am working a bucktail. All right, let's see if we pick one up. Seen them in a little. I had one on and I missed another strike. Oh mama. And I missed another strike. So the dolphin never popped up. Yeah, over there. That didn't look like a dolphin. There they are, there they are. There's the dolphins. Maybe there's some blues. Wow, it is really close. Wow, look how close those dolphins are. I wonder if there's blues around them. There's a bunch of dolphins. Wow, wow, wow. Look how close they are. I'm gonna scare everything out. Or maybe, they don't look like they're feeding. There's one all the way down there. A couple to my right, to my left. They're inside the crowd here. That is cool. And so there he is. I don't know how many. Wow, there's the birds. There's the birds to my right. We'll walk. This one looks alive here. I don't know why they're looking that way. Looks like birds right over here. I just got a diamond jig on. They're tight. Let's see how tight they are. There's got to be something under them. It's a nice pack of birds. Let me see. Ooh, that sun is right in my eyes. I tell you, there's a couple of fish around. They're tight in the rip. I'm getting that rip. But I am in low gear now. I'm just taking it easy. I'm just enjoying the sun, the weather. Beautiful day. Beautiful day. So, just, I don't know if he has one. It's picking a couple fish, but I'm just waiting to see. Just an off day for me. That's all right. We all have them. Still got time. Oh yeah, somebody's on. One of the things I like to do with slow action on these kind of days, slow popper. They're just fun to watch. And if you do get a hit, it's going to be a fun one. So I am working a popper. Anything else, I'm just going to throw a diamond jig. Let's see. This is what we're doing. Just fun to work. Got the little neck. I like the way that big splash in the water here. Looking for that one fish. That's what we want. I'll tell you, this is not my day. I just missed one. And that is going to be our only chance. Unless they're thick. Maybe it's a good thing. People coming around. All right. That was definitely a fish. Maybe they're thick. Well, it's one of those days. I just about blew every chance I had, and there were chances. Probably missed three striped bass strikes. I dropped a striped bass, and just not long ago, I probably had one shot at a nice big bluefish and got away. But I guess you could call that a tough day or a bad day. Actually, no, it's not at all. We had our chances, and having your chance, that's what it's all about. As long as you got another chance, get back out there. That's what everything's about. As long as you make yourself the chance, it's going to happen sooner or later. Thanks for watching. I don't get mad. Well, I'm going to take a few more casts. Still got chances left. Thanks for watching. The water looks good now.